Steven Frederick Seagal is an American actor, producer, screenwriter, martial artist, and musician who holds American, Serbian, and Russian citizenship. Seagal was born in Lansing, Michigan. Before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for never miss any update. Let's know more about him. Steven Frederick Seagal lifestyle. Celebrated name Steven Seagal. Full name Steven Frederick Seagal. Gender male. Profession actor, film producer, screenwriter, businessperson, martial artist, sheriff, television producer, musician. Personal life. Birthday 10 April 1952. Age as in 2020 68 years old. Born country United States. Birthplace Lansing, Michigan, United States. Nationality American. Famous humanitarian philanthropist. Sun sign Aries. Also known as Steven Frederick Seagal. Famous as actor. Age, height and weight. Being born on 10 April 1952, his height is 1.93 meter tall and his weight is 85 kg. Relationship. Marital status married. Seagal married Miyako Fujitani in 1974. He has two children from his marriage with Fujitani. Their children went on to become extremely popular in their respective fields. Seagal left Fujitani in 1987. While his divorce with Fujitani was still not finalized, he married Adrienne LaRussa. While he was married to LaRussa, he fell in love with Kelly LeBrock and she became pregnant with his child. Subsequently, his marriage with LaRussa was annulled and he married LeBrock in 1987. He has three children with LeBrock. In 1991, he was accused of sexual harassment by employees of Warner Brothers. 4 years later, he was charged with employment discrimination and sexual harassment by Cheryl Suman. In 1996, he divorced LeBrock citing irreconcilable differences. During this time, he started a relationship with Arisa Wolf, with whom he has a daughter named Savannah. A lawsuit was filed against the actor in 2010, wherein he was accused of illegal trading of women for sex, sexual harassment, and retaliation. He is currently married to Ardenituwa Batshok, with whom he has a son named Kungzang. Net worth. As of June 2020, Steven Seagal has a net worth of $20 million, which is a result of his career in Hollywood. Childhood and early life. Steven Frederick Seagal was born on April 10, 1952 in Lansing, Michigan, USA, to Samuel Steven and Patricia. His mother was a medical technician and his father was a high school teacher. He is of Jewish Russian origin from his father's side and English, German and Dutch ancestry from his mother's side. Career. His first stint in Hollywood was when he worked as a martial arts coordinator for the film The Challenge, which released in 1982. After becoming the head of Tenshin Idaiko in Osaka, he moved to the US in 1983, where he opened an Idaiko dojo in North Hollywood. The same year, he worked as a martial arts coordinator for the film Never Say Never Again. In 1988, he was approached to write and coordinate the martial arts sequences for the film Above the Law, directed by Andrew Davis. He was also cast in the film as Nico Toscani. 2 years later, he was seen in films such as Hard to Kill and Marked for Death. His performances in films like Out for Justice, Hard to Kill and Marked for Death made him popular. His popularity increased when he was cast to play Casio Ryback in the 1992 blockbuster hit Under Siege. 2 years later, he appeared in a mediocre film titled On Deadly Ground, which he directed. In 1995, he starred in Under Siege 2: Dark Territory, a sequel to Under Siege. The film went on to become one of the most commercially successful films. The next year, he starred on The Glimmer Man and Executive Decision. He made a film titled Fire Down Below in 1997, where he played the role of an EPA agent fighting moguls discarding toxic waste. The film did not do well at the box office and his contract with Warner Bros. Ended with the movie. In 1998, he starred in the direct-to-video film titled The Patriot, which he also produced. From 2001 to 2003, he was seen in movies like Exit Wounds, Ticker, Half Past Eight, The Foreigner, Out for a Kill and Belly for the Beast. Apart from being a martial artist and actor, he is also a keen guitarist. He released his debut album Songs from the Crystal Cave in 2005. The same year, the film Into the Sun featured a number of tracks. His second album, Mozo Priest, released in April 2006. He spent the rest of the year touring the United States and Europe with his band to support the album. Since he also worked as a reserve deputy chief in the Zephyr Parish, he decided to capitalize on his law enforcement work and began shooting for his show Steven Seagal Lawman, which premiered in 2009 and ran for a number of seasons. Apart from his show, he also appeared in The Keeper and Driven to Kill. In 2010, he returned to mainstream Hollywood with the film Machete, where he played the role of Rogelio Torres. The same year, he also starred in Ship Impact. From 2011 to 2014, he appeared in Born to Raise Hell, Maximum Conviction, Got Shot Straight and Forced Execution. In the mid and late 2010s, Seagal was predominantly seen in action movies like Absolution (2015), End of a Gun (2016), The Perfect Weapon (2016), Cartels (2017), and Attrition (2018). In 2019, he was part of an ensemble cast for the movie General Commander. The same year, he also played the lead role of Agostino Finn Adair in James Cullen Bresse's action film Beyond the Law. Major works: he starred in Under Siege in 1992, which is considered one of his most commercially successful films till date. The movie went on to collect $156,563,139 at the box office and spawned a popular sequel titled Under Siege 2: Dark Territory. In 2001, the movie was named in the list of 100 Years, 100 Thrills. Awards and nominations. Steven has been nominated for the Golden Raspberry Award multiple times in the course of his career. However, he was won it only once in 1995 for being the worst director for the movie On Deadly Ground. Trivia. This famous American actor and martial artist company manufacturing an energy drink called Lightning Bolt and an aftershave line called Scent of Action. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.